Nigeria's healthcare landscape continues to evolve, driven in part by private sector institutions that have steadily expanded access to diagnostic services over the years. One of such organizations, Everight Diagnostics, marked a significant institutional milestone this week, reflecting on its role within the country's medical ecosystem over the past 2 decades. The gathering drew senior government officials, traditional rulers, and key stakeholders from across the health and policy space. Addressing guests, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Dr. Everest Opara spoke on the organization's growth trajectory, workforce development, and the importance of sustaining quality healthcare delivery in a challenging operating environment.
Today also marks the unveiling of my book titled Managing Employee Retention and Turnover in Nigeria. This is not a theory, it is 20 years lived experience, how we have built loyalty, kept team together, and grew leaders in a tough business environment. Every resignation letter I received was a performance review, not just a review of my leadership style, but also that of my management team members. When a member of staff leaves, I am not in a haste to replace them. I pause, I reflect. So this book captures the lesson, the correction, the humility, the growth that has come from treating every exit not as an inconvenience, but as a mirror. As we launch this book, all proceeds from the launch will go directly to the Everight Healthcare Foundation. This will help expand our medical bill adoption, fight against cancers and other terminal diseases for the underprivileged across Nigeria.
Opara has documented his experience for posterity and for lessons. This is symbolized with the launch of the book.
Dr. Opara in his book tells us that between the year 2022 and the year 2024, Nigeria lost over 42,000 nurses. You can imagine the impact of that Nigeria trains and the rest of the world consumes. It is a book that I commend to those who want to save not only Nigeria, but the continent of Africa.
This is a manual. It's a book that should be on every leader's desk. It's a book that should be on the decks of all the people that are within your leadership structure.
The trustee chairman has willed every proceed from his book launch today as a sacrificial commitment to the actualization of this operational plan.
I will encourage all of us here to do one good thing. Pick up this book. As you are picking it up, you are treating a patient you don't know.